Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we will learn how to connect SQL database to the Node.js server. Let's create index.js file to write JavaScript code here. Before this, we need to install Node.js in our system, and we need some more extensions like live server. I already installed it. You need to install it. After installing, open command prompt. Control Shift plus P. You can see developer reload window. Click on that. Now the window was reloaded. After this, we need one more extension. SQL. Yeah, this is the extension. I already installed it. Install it and reload the window. Need one more extension. Yeah, this is the extension. You need to install it and reload the window. I have already added the server connection code. This is the code. We need a database file. I'm giving the name as user1.db extension. Yeah, we need a query file to do SQL operations. .sql is the extension. This file is used for the API calls. Now I'm writing SQL query. Create table. I'm giving a name as users. Text. Before this, we need to create a connection. You can see the icon, SQL tools icon here, and we need to click on add new connection. Select the database. I am selecting SQLite node. Here is the connection name. You need to give any random name. I am giving it as Shiva and include my team. We need to select the database. User1. I am selecting it. We need to test the connection before and save the connection. Now the connection is created. We need to connect it. Yeah, you can see the green dot over here. It's connected now. We can do operations and the database. Now this query will execute. Yeah, you can see the database table users. We need to insert some values in the table. Yeah. Now you can see the values in the database. Now I am giving the database connection path connection. We need to save the file. Now just to open the terminal. We need to install dependencies. For this, npm init -y. You can see the package.json file here. We need express server. We need SQLite as well. We need SQLite 3 command line tool driver. Now I am starting the server. You can see the server started at 3000 port. Now we will check the response of API call. See, you can see the response of API call. Now I'm making